Can you imagine having access to an AI chatbot that surpasses ChatGPT and is completely free? Today I bring you big news, Mistral, a tool that you can change how you use AI. Mistral Le Chat offers unlimited access to its best model, allows image generation, internet searches, document analysis, and creation of GPT assistants, all for free. Especially interesting for ChatGPT users who don't pay for the Plus version. It offers a canvas interface for editing text, built-in search, image generation with cutting-edge models, vision for analyzing images and PDF documents, and more. The tool is free and uses Mistral's latest model, Pixel Large, comparable to the best competitor models like GPT-4 and Gemini. Le Chat offers features that are only available in ChatGPT paid version. Le Chat allows browsing websites using the Canvas interface, generated images, analyzing documents, and even created agents. Features not available in ChatGPT free versions or other tools like Perplexity. Mistral's Pixel Large model has achieved high scores in various benchmarks, making it competitive with models like Llama and Gemini. Le Chat offers free access to this model, making it a very valuable tool. Let's test Le Chat to see if it can be a good substitute for ChatGPT. We can ask it to recommend carpenters in your city for custom furniture, and it will provide results with reference to original sources. Another interesting feature is the ability to analyze PDF documents. We can upload a document and ask it to explain its content in a simple way. This is very useful for quickly understanding specific papers or any other document. Le Chat can also analyze images. For example, we can upload a screenshot of a web template and ask it to generate prompts to replace the images. This allows us to adapt the template to our needs quickly and efficiently. In the Canvas interface, we can also easily write and edit text. For example, we can ask it to write an essay about the impact of AI on work and then edit it, adding sections or summarizing paragraphs, the same as ChatGPT. The Canvas interface is very useful. For tasks like writing website text, we can adapt a WordPress template to replace text and images quickly and efficiently. In summary, Mistral Le Chat offers a powerful free alternative to ChatGPT. These advanced features like the Canvas interface, internet search, image generation, document and image analysis, and GPT assistant creation. It's definitely worth trying. Before we continue, if you want to learn how to create visuals, graphics, or infographics from a text, don't forget to watch my other video in this link. I will put the link also in the description below. Okay, if you like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, make a comment on how can I improve my videos, or if you're looking for any help in any project related with AI, design, or even personal branding, put it in the comments below or send me a direct message to this ID. That's it for me now. See you next time. Bye bye.